Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and palm. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Leanne, I'm Charlie, and this is the Joy Bus. Come on in, we'll show you around.
Birds aren't real?
I'll say it even though Steve says it doesn't matter. It's a little bit of a mess, but
Like, people know we live in these things, so.
yeah, okay. This is Chonga. So, I don't know, pretty typical for the front of the bus.
Yep.
We're lucky enough to, all of our windows have these kind of coverings for it. We place them up there at night so it blocks out all the wandering eyes, and it also acts as insulation. You know,
Right.
keeps the
Now, are
windows.
these original windows, or did you?
Original windows, yeah.
It's unusual for a bus.
Yeah, in fact, there was another couple just walked by a little while ago. They have the same windows. I was so glad to talk to them because they know they've removed their windows, and I was a little bit hesitant to do that. I've got a broken or a cracked one back here. These are double pane glass,
Nice.
but I just need to fix it, and
Yeah.
I was quoted $3,500 for a new window. So
Yeah, this doesn't surprise me.
yeah. So everything's insulated. We have spray foam above this, and below the floor here, it's all
Luan.
Pardon?
Luan.
Yeah.
Yeah, same as mine. Mine, the company had pine on one side, mahogany on the other. I did the mahogany side out.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
And well, this was easy to use because it bent.
Yeah.
You know, and I was looking for something there. A lot of Craigslist type stuff in here, you know, and nothing is finished. There's not a single piece of finished wood in here.
If you watch all my videos, I always say schoolies are never done.
Yeah,
They're done-ish.
One day I will do something with that, but
yeah,
for the moment
I'm always changing stuff. So.
And we've got a little combination 3-burner propane stove.
An oven that's too small, just like everybody. Mine's
Right.
too.
I'll open this. This is my electrical room.
Okay.
Yeah. I need a magnet.
Ah.
All the drawers have these magnet closures so that.
I tried those and they kept breaking on me. So.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I put heavy stuff in the drawers and.
Our issue was, you know, the standard child-proof drawer things, the hooks.
Right.
That would come out that far. So everything was flapping out that far as we're driving down the road.
Sure.
And
I tried those too.
Yeah.
Same reason. So
anyway, these have worked for us, but maybe not putting as heavy stuff in.
I still have one drawer that, my junk drawer that is mostly wires and stuff. So
This is where we keep all the electrical.
Yep.
Nothing really special there, just batteries and inverters and stuff.
I love, you know, lots and lots of Victron. I get nice refrigerator.
Yeah, it's a apartment size refrigerator.
Now, how much solar do you have?
About 1,300 watts overall. Functional is probably around 1,150 or 1,200, something like that.
Right.
And got 300 AH of battery, you know, lithium battery.
Sure.
And I, you know, really, so far, I haven't missed having any more than that. It hasn't been an issue.
Right.
But we've never really spent time in a very cold environment. So I don't know how that would affect it.
Yeah, with me, I'm down here in the wintertime. Even the shortest days, mine catches right up.
Yeah.
Unless it's cloudy like we had the other couple days, and then next day it catches up.
Yeah, and for comfort, you know, we've got a mini split. It does the, you know, heat and cooling.
Right.
And then I've got a, below the bus, but the outlet right here, have a Chinese diesel heater.
Sure.
You know. And then the bathroom, it's all tiled. It's an airhead toilet, not the nature's head. A lot of people have, but this is the airhead. It had some features about it that we liked. I liked and
Sure.
and then there's a full functioning bathtub here. So it's a functioning bathtub and shower.
Right.
I'll step by and let you. You can go look at that. We're not full time in this.
I like the tile choice.
The Mexican tile. We
Yeah.
live in San Diego, so the Mexican tiles are really
There you
close
go.
for us. And then a queen size bed.
All right. I got storage back in. Oh, that's the shower. Gotcha.
That's the shower. A little bit of. I have a drop down cabineted type of a storage back here. A secondary freezer here. This is really the only closet clothing type of a storage area that we have. We would love to have the storage of a 40-foot bus, but we love the maneuverability of a 30-foot bus.
Sure.
So finding a couch, we wanted a couch because we knew that maybe somebody might actually come and stay with us sometime.
Right.
So they actually can sleep on this. It's comfortable enough. That was a hard find, finding a couch that was only so many inches out from the wall.
Right.
Most couches, they want about 28 or 30 inches.
Sure.
No, I only had about 22 inches to work with here.
Right.
So we were lucky we found one.
Now, do you have any social media presence if people wanted to get a hold of you?
Instagram. Let's see, the Instagram is Joyous Bus. Joyous Bus Life,
Okay.
I think.
All right.
I think if you just do Joyous Bus Life, you'll find us.
Okay. Well, thank you for the tour. I like the bus.
Well, thank you.